Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it has been long that I did not put any video. It's due to some of my workload and I don't really know how often I make the videos. But today I have come over here to share with you the unboxing of the Smytten box which just arrived today. This is the box. But before that, let me tell you some things about this app, because it's a very interesting app. You have got two sections. One is the shop, another one is the trial section. When you open the app, you get 6 points. In the trial sections, there will be various brands which you will be getting, be it Plum, be it mamaearth, be it the Man's Company, and lot more. So if you want to try some products and don't want to buy the full size product because you don't know that it will suit your skin or not, you can go in the trial section, use those 6 points to buy the products, because there are a lot of products over there which you will get products of 1 pointers, you will get products of 2 pointers, you will get product of 6 pointers, 3 pointers, 4 pointers. So it's upon you what kind of products you are going to buy. At the end of the purchase, you just need to pay the delivery charges. That is 199 rupees. From that 199 rupees also, you will get 169 rupees back in your Smytten wallet for 1 month. Or else you can even go for, you want to buy more trial products, so you can go for 6 pointers. So like that you can buy the sample products and use it. I have ordered the products and let's open the box and see how it goes. It even have got another feature which is referral, so you can refer this to your friends, and as many friends or download the app and order from that app, you will get 200 rupees. So I have referred this to many of the people, and 3 of them have downloaded and placed the order. So I got 600 rupees. So with that 600 rupees, I even ordered a lipstick. Like it's free of cost. You don't even have to pay the delivery charges. I even ordered a lipstick and a face mask for myself. So that did not arrive right now. It will arrive few days later on. So let's open this box and see the products I have ordered. So I'm gonna use this knife to open the seal. So these are the products which I ordered. I'm going to show you one by one. This is the mamaearth face wash. This is the trial size. I actually ordered it for my sister. Then this is the plum face mist. Then this is the mamaearth moisturizer. Then I again ordered the day cream of plum. Then I ordered 2 perfume, and the smell is literal good. So this is one of them, and this is the other one. And last is a small pouch from Smytten to put all this, I guess. So, and the box is empty. You can see that these all are sample products which I ordered and it arrived. I'm gonna test it, see how it is and all, and then I'll think if I will buy the full size or not. I've shared with you this very interesting app because I found it very interesting, because rest of the app doesn't give you this facility which this app is giving. So I have given my referral code in the description below. So if you are using this app and downloading this app, please do use my referral code so that even I get some pointers. So that's it for today, the unboxing of the Smytten box and all the products I have ordered. I showed you. It's a very travel friendly. Whenever you're going out, you can use those products rather than getting the whole size, because it increases your luggage. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this app and order the products and check it out, the new products which are coming in the market, and it's good or not, and etc, etc, etc. About the product review, once I use it, I'll give a review about the products which I ordered from Smytten. But for now, that's it. Ta-da!